Welcome back to Healthy Living. Ever wondered why you might feel bloated, tired, or experience indigestion? What if I told you that a few simple changes to your diet could completely transform your gut health and your overall well-being? Stay tuned because in this video, we're uncovering the top incredible foods that can revolutionize your digestive system and boost your energy. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game changers. Gut health is at the core of our overall well-being, influencing several key areas of health. A healthy gut improves digestion, allowing your body to absorb essential nutrients and vitamins that keep you energized and in top form. It also plays a pivotal role in your immune system, protecting you from infections and illnesses. But that's not all. A balanced gut can also impact your mood and mental health. Research shows a healthy gut microbiome is linked to better mood and fewer symptoms of anxiety and depression, a connection often referred to as the gut-brain axis. So let's get into it. The first food that could be a game changer for your gut is probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that are beneficial for your health, especially your digestive system. They're often called good or friendly bacteria because they help balance the gut by increasing the number of beneficial bacteria. This balance is important for good digestion and a strong immune system. Yogurt is a prime example of probiotic-rich food. It's filled with live cultures that can improve gut health. A 2017 study in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that eating yogurt daily can significantly increase the diversity of gut bacteria, which is important for a balanced microbiome. But not all yogurts are created equal. Only those labeled with live and active cultures can truly give your gut the boost it needs. A daily serving can increase the diversity of your gut bacteria, making digestion smoother and your immune system stronger. Next, let's talk about kefir. Kefir, a tangy fermented milk drink, takes probiotics even further. It contains up to 61 different strains of bacteria and yeasts, as shown in research published in Frontiers in Microbiology. This variety offers a broad spectrum of beneficial microbes for your gut. If you're dairy-free, kimchi and sauerkraut are great alternatives. These fermented vegetables are also rich in probiotics. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that eating kimchi increased the amount of beneficial lactobacillus bacteria in the gut. But probiotics need fuel to thrive, and that's where prebiotics come in. Prebiotics are a type of fiber found in certain foods that serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. They help these good bacteria grow and stay healthy. Foods like garlic and onions aren't just flavor powerhouses. They're also rich in prebiotic fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Research published in the journal Food Science and Human Wellness has shown that garlic and onions help boost the growth of bifidobacteria, a type of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Bifidobacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system and strengthening your immune system. So by eating garlic and onions, you're not only making your food tastier but also helping your gut bacteria flourish. Bananas are another excellent source of prebiotics. They contain a type of fiber called resistant starch, which acts as a food source for your good bacteria. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that green bananas, in particular, can increase the production of short-chain fatty acids in the gut. Short-chain fatty acids are important for maintaining a healthy colon and overall digestive health. So by including bananas in your diet, you're giving your probiotics the nourishment they need to keep your gut in top shape. Think of prebiotics as rations that keep your gut soldiers strong and effective. Just as soldiers need proper supplies to stay strong and effective, your good bacteria need prebiotics to remain healthy and functional. Without enough prebiotics, the beneficial bacteria in your gut might not perform as well, which can affect your digestion and overall health. Fiber is like the unsung hero of your digestive system. It's not just about keeping you full. It plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health. Think of fiber as a broom for your intestines. It sweeps away waste and provides food for your good bacteria. Whole grains such as oats and brown rice are packed with fiber. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who regularly ate whole grains had higher levels of lactobacilli, which are beneficial bacteria in your gut. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are another fantastic source of fiber and resistant starch. Resistant starch is a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding your good bacteria. Research published in the Journal of Functional Food showed that eating legumes can increase beneficial bacteria while decreasing potentially harmful ones. This means that legumes help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, supporting overall digestive health and reducing the risk of issues like bloating and constipation. Think of fiber as a smooth highway for your digestive system. It helps keep everything moving easily and gives your good bacteria the food they need to stay healthy. Without enough fiber, your digestive system might slow down, leading to discomfort and poor digestion. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids like glutamine. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the structure of your gut lining. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that glutamine, one of the amino acids in bone broth, can help maintain the intestinal barrier. This barrier prevents harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream. The gelatin in bone broth also supports digestion. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology suggests that gelatin can improve gut barrier function and reduce inflammation. This helps ensure that your gut lining remains strong and less prone to damage. Kombucha is a fermented tea that has gained popularity, not just for its unique taste but for its health benefits. A study published in the Annals of Epidemiology found that drinking kombucha regularly was linked to better digestion and a stronger immune system. How does kombucha help? During the fermentation process, beneficial bacteria and yeast grow in the tea. These microbes can help balance your gut microbiome, making digestion smoother and supporting your immune function. Tempeh is another fantastic fermented food. It's made from soybeans and is a great source of protein. But tempeh offers more than just protein. Research published in the Journal of Food Research International showed that eating tempeh can boost the levels of beneficial bifidobacteria in your gut. Bifidobacteria are friendly bacteria that play a key role in maintaining gut health. They help digest food and keep harmful bacteria in check. By increasing these beneficial bacteria, tempeh helps create a healthier and more balanced gut environment. So, what can you do today to start transforming your gut health? Begin by incorporating just one of these foods into your daily routine. Maybe swap your morning coffee for a glass of kefir or add a side of kimchi to your dinner. Small changes can lead to big results. Share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these foods are making a difference for you. Remember, your gut is the foundation of your health. Nourish it well, and it will repay you with vitality, energy, and well-being. Every bite is an opportunity to build a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more health-transforming content. Here's to your health from the inside out.